Hello, I'm Dr. Rhonda Johnson. People keep asking me to comment on the recent 60-minute news segment on bird flu. Well, today is Thursday, April 24th, 2025. Now, here are my comments. First, I thought the 60-minute segment was excellent. It was very factual, and the experts who provided up-to-date, evidence-based, and factual information. Now, the people who reached out to me said they were feeling a little anxious after watching 60 Minutes, and that is understandable. So let's talk about what's happening and what it means for you. Since April 2024, there have been 70 confirmed human cases of avian influenza. That's the same as bird flu, reported in the United States. Now, 41 of these were linked to contact with sick dairy cows. Another 26 involved exposure to infected poultry. A few people had no known exposure, and the one person who died had exposure to infected birds in his backyard. And this individual also had many chronic health conditions. Now, as of today, there is no evidence of person-to-person spread. Most of the people infected also have mild symptoms like conjunctivitis or pink eye, and the risk to the general public remains low according to the CDC. So why the concern? While globally, bird flu has had a 50% mortality rate in humans, that just hasn't happened here. Also, flu viruses evolve rapidly. The more this virus spreads across species, the more chances it has to mutate. And when a virus crosses from birds to mammals and then to humans, scientists take that seriously. Should you panic? No. It's a time to be informed and prepared. So here is what you can do now. Avoid drinking raw milk. That's unpasteurized milk. Avoid drinking that. Know that pasteurized milk is safe. Wash your hands after handling raw meat or if you're visiting farms. Cook all eggs, poultry, and beef well done. And do not handle dead birds. Report them to your state or local public health authority. And you can educate yourself on the symptoms of bird flu in domestic cats and dogs if you have pets, because they are susceptible. And you can support a strong public health system that monitors, tests, and responds to outbreak. See, good public health isn't about scaring people. It's about protecting lives. And preparedness is always the best defense. Now, I will continue to follow the science. I'll keep you informed in my calm, factual, and caring manner. Take care, folks. And if you haven't seen the 60-minute segment, please watch it on YouTube. Again, I thought it was excellent. That's my message today. Take care and be well.